so we got the robot up and running. We've got our ground control station here. You can see status on all the different systems. This shows that we're disarmed right now, so I can hit the arm and engage. All turns green, so we're fully engaged on the robot. This is showing all of the motors, voltages, amps, and their commanded speeds. And this interface right here gives us the ability to turn on all of the individual components, all of the sonar, DVL, computers, all of the foot magnets, all that. So we've got the joysticks up and running, the joystick and the throttle are up and running. So you can see on the robot here, if I command throttle, we have counter rotation front and back. So that's one direction. Command it in reverse as well. And then I've got the joystick here, and I can command the knuckle to yaw right and left. So I can get it to 45 degrees. Right and left. So we have all the knuckle working, and you can see we have a live feed of the video as that's running as well. And so the way this is all running is through our data rack down here. So we've got a 120 volt and a 240 volt UPS here, and those are feeding, the 240 volts is actually feeding our AC to DC conversion. So this is taking 240 volt AC, converting it to 400 volt DC, shooting it through this tether line, which then comes up and feeds into the robot right here. Also in this line is not just the power, but also a Kevlar detensioning line, so that we can actually pull quite hard on this if we needed to pull the robot back out. And it's got two fiber optic lines that are feeding connectivity back to our servers over here. So we've got two servers. This is our main ROS server. This is doing all the command and control. And then this one, you can see we don't have the hard drives in it right now, but this is set up for a RAID array for hard drives for storing all of the UT data. Obviously, we can turn the gimbal tighter as well. Okay, we've got our robotic arm set up here in a test environment. So we've got the full electromagnet foot set up along with the arm. Everything's waterproof up to the top here. And we're using it on a API style plate with some known defects that has proper welds, proper coating, along with some baked in defects and patch plates put onto it, so we can demonstrate that whole system. We've got the Edify Mantis system hooked up to it here, so we'll demonstrate how the whole thing works. All right, so the arm's getting into position. You can see it going, and you can see the information. There we go.